I used to think that if she didn't respond to me, that she wasn't interested, and that I should leave her alone, and I should just move on. Now that's partly true, but let me give you some tips in this video about what you should do if she hasn't responded to you. You probably think she's not interested, she's not attracted to you, and in most scenarios, that is actually true. However, in some instances, you need to realize that people's minds are so occupied in today's world that they've barely got enough time and capacity to have one good conversation with someone. You see, people are constantly barraged by news and noise and social media and drama that they forget to respond to you. They forget to arrange the date with you. They forget to send you a message. They forget to apologize. They'll forget to do all sorts of different things. Ultimately, if you're texting a girl and she just stops texting you back, you can take that as a sign that she's uninterested, but you should also be very carefree and nonchalant, and try again. Not in a desperate fashion. Obviously, don't message her 3 or 4 times without a response. That's a bit too much. But I definitely think you can message her twice. Okay? You can send another message if you don't hear from her. You'll see actually my background has changed. I'm now in Miami Beach. This is my home. I'm a Miami Beach resident. You can see the bayside over there, and you can see the beach just behind me, and I'm going to be making videos from here the next month. Back to the point at hand. You shouldn't be messaging her 3 or 4 or 5 times. That's weird and a bit desperate. But you are allowed to message twice. So if you sent her a message and she hasn't responded, for example, I met a super hot Swedish girl in London on Saturday night. The interaction went really well. I texted her and she responded very positively. And then I sent her a voice note and then she didn't respond to that. Now, the old Ralph would be like, oh, she's not interested. Oh, maybe I said something wrong in the voice note. Maybe I fucked up. Maybe I should just move on. Sure, that might be true. However, I should take my chance again. I should just drop her another line. Hey, Sophie, just thinking about you today. I'm just chilling at the beach. How's your day going? I've got nothing to lose. Fuck it. Send another message. Why do I need to be so caught up in my emotions or so caught up with my ego and pride and think, oh, I should only ever message her once, and if she doesn't respond to me, then don't message her again, she's not interested. Bro, she's probably busy with a bunch of bullshit in her life. Probably got 20 other guys messaging her. Probably got some drama with her mother. God knows, I don't give a shit what's going on in her life. I got enough going on in mine. But the lesson is you're okay to send another message. Fire it off. Be cool. And don't ever in that message say something like, hey, why didn't you respond to my last message? Don't ever say that. Just ignore the fact that she didn't respond and open up a new conversation as if you didn't even send the last message. You know, that's the best piece of advice I can give you today. Because if you send a message and it says something like, hey, why don't you respond to my last message? I can't believe I'm having to message you twice just to get a response. That's what a loser does. Don't send that kind of message. Just be cool and send another message like, hey, didn't hear from you, just hope you're doing well. Or, hey, I'm at the beach. Or, hey, I went for a run this morning and saw this cat and it looked super cute and it reminded me of your cat. How you getting on? I'd love to see you. Just put it out there. Just put yourself out there again. You've got nothing to lose, man. You know, if you think that you're so special and you're the man and your pride and ego and that surpasses everything else, then you'll have a difficult life. Just take it a little bit more easy. And don't worry about sending that second message. Now, the third and the fourth message is definitely going to seem a bit desperate. So at that point, if you walk away, I would completely understand because I would do the same.